This crowd is anxiously waiting for Costco to open, and it's like this every morning. But did you know that there are secrets to shopping at Costco that could save you real money?
There are certain secrets that even people who are seasoned Costco shoppers may not know, right?
They may not know, that's correct.
Thad Klez, the general manager of the Culver City, California location, is revealing Costco shopping secrets. For instance, the layout of the store. It's actually designed like a maze to make you walk the entire length of the store back and forth. Employees work tirelessly before the store even opens, moving merchandise around. Why? They want you to hunt for your items, so you buy more stuff along the way.
We have a general layout that we want people to follow. We have what we would call the horseshoe, and they're going to go up and down the main aisles.
Big ticket items are placed up front. That particular product placement is no accident.
Electronics, right when you walk in, you're going to see some great values in TV sets, and you're going to see computers, laptops, our jewelry set.
These price tags can tell you a lot too. There's a great bargain to be had if you see an asterisk and a 97 in the price. That means the item is being discontinued and it's at its lowest price. A green sign in the produce department lets you know that the item is organic. The #1 hot prepared food is rotisserie chicken. This particular Costco sells 1,000 a day. Overall, 87 million Costco rotisserie chickens are sold worldwide.
So what is the secret of these chickens?
Well, it's a larger chicken than you're going to find in other stores, and then the price.
You can't tell, this thing is heavy.
Stuff goes quickly at Costco. A lot of deals are one-time only, like furniture and jewelry. So if you like it, the store manager has this recommendation.
If they see it, buy it.
Because once it's gone, there's a good chance you may never see it stocked again. By the way, you don't have to be a member to purchase certain items in the store.
You can purchase pharmacy items, your prescription, and alcohol without your membership.
One example, the vodka brand marketed under the name Kirkland. It will save you tons of money.
This vodka compares to another Highline French vodka. That would normally be, what, $40 a bottle?
Correct, $39.99. So you're getting almost half off here, and you're getting the same or better quality than you would elsewhere with the Kirkland name.
That's good meal.